Organisational skills. Organisational skills. The definition: the ability to plan ahead and prioritise tasks to ensure all elements are completed on time. Here are 5 tips to develop your skills. Tip 1. Create a simple list. Creating a list is great for planning, but try to keep it simple. There is no need to spend time creating a detailed list or making it look pretty. A short and concise list is the most effective list, whether in a diary or on your phone. Tip 2. Create a routine. Decide what needs to be included in your routine. Do you want to get more exercise or more alone time? Make sure your most important tasks come first and try to organise the rest of your life around it. Tip 3. A place for everything and everything in its place. Whether it's your desk, a wardrobe, or a computer, make sure your things are organised. While this may not be easy for everyone, having order helps to keep your life in order. Tip 4. There's no need to be perfect. To be organised, you don't need to be perfect and get everything done at once. Try to prioritise your tasks and think about what really matters. Tip 5. Take a break from your work. Balancing work and play is very important. Your brain works better after taking a break, so make sure you give yourself time to do what you enjoy. For further support, contact us. post@profi.cymru, @cynllun profi. Thank you for watching.